In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in Metatrader 5. If your charts ever feel too cramped or too stretched, a quick zoom adjustment can make patterns clearer and decisions more confident. We'll focus on the desktop version of Metatrader 5, and I'll walk you through 3 simple ways to zoom in and out so you can choose the one that fits your workflow. First, make sure you have a chart open and active. Click anywhere on the chart so MT5 knows that's the window you want to control. At the top of the platform, look for the toolbar. You'll see 2 magnifying glass icons, one with a plus sign and one with a minus sign. Click the zoom in icon to enlarge the candles and bring fewer bars into view, which is great for inspecting individual candlesticks and fine details. Click the zoom out icon to step back and see more of the market at once. This method is visual, straightforward, and perfect if you like using the mouse and on-screen controls. If you prefer speed, the keyboard shortcut method is even faster. With your chart selected, press the plus key to zoom in and the minus key to zoom out. A quick tap gives you a small adjustment, while a few taps in a row let you fine-tune the view. This is ideal when you want to make rapid comparisons across different sections of price action without taking your hands off the keyboard. The third method is great for smooth, incremental control using the mouse wheel. Hold the Control key on your keyboard, then scroll the mouse wheel up to zoom in or down to zoom out. This feels natural and lets you dial in the exact level of detail you want in seconds. It's especially handy when you're actively analyzing and need to move in and out repeatedly as you study specific candles or zones. A quick reminder: zooming changes how many bars you see and how large they appear, but it doesn't change your time frame. If you're on a 5-minute chart, you'll stay on a 5-minute chart. You're simply adjusting how closely you're viewing it. Now, why does this matter for trading? Zooming in helps you see candlestick patterns clearly, so you can verify the structure of wicks and bodies instead of guessing. It also sharpens your view of support and resistance, making it easier to spot where price has reacted before. And when it comes to timing entries and exits, precise zooming helps you assess risk and confirm signals with more confidence. Practice each method for a minute, pick your favorite, and make zooming a natural part of your chart routine.